there! As you can see, I have a new layout. Anyways, on to the actual rant. This will be a part 2 of the Tiffany story. Click here to see part 1. Okay, so I was texting in the group chat, and Tiffany said, "You're so fucking annoying, my name." And then argument, blah, blah, blah. And then Tiffany was like, "At least I have names random cookies from Cookie Run Kingdom." Mind you, I don't even play Cookie Run Kingdom. And then I was like, well, at least I have a life. And after I said that, she said this. Like, girly pop. You are the one saying that every day. Anyways, I'll cap it here. Delta out.